How to install Netflix app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to install Netflix app on your Android, simply first of all make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and tap on the search bar and search for Netflix over here. As you search for Netflix, you can see the option over here to install and open. Here I've already installed the application, so I get the option of open. So just tap on open and it will land you to the homepage or the user interface of Netflix application on your Android device. Just wait for a while until it lands you to the user interface and the main page of the Android Netflix application. So here you can see the option of get started. So tap on get started and here all you need to do is just mention your email ID. As you mention your email ID over here, tap on get started. As you tap on get started, you just need to enter your password. So you can use a sign-in code as well, or you can just enter the password, and as you do that, you can select the different packages that Netflix has on its application for you to enjoy different movies and web series and so on. So that's how we install the Netflix app on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.